I'm really privileged to be here today, and the kinds of projects and the ideas that we saw as part of this contest and this conclave have been truly amazing. There is now need for continuous innovation. You have to constantly be better. Innovation is not the domain of big experts, people who've been in the business for 20, 30, 40 years. Innovation is not just about the next big product, the next big business idea, the next big service model. Innovation is about making society better, humanity better. What Einstein said is the world we have created today as a result of our thinking thus far has problems which cannot be solved by thinking the way we thought when we created them. You have to think different.
You know, at one time, India was a science superpower.
India is not a place where people are taking technical careers seriously enough.
Capitalism has succeeded too well at one level where the single biggest metric has become what is your bank balance.
I value the fact that our universities are ivory tower models. I think it's like an ashram. You need to have some distance from the real world.
The only question that matters is, what are you as a student passionate about?
There is something, I think, in our culture which I think gives us a little bit of a basis to say that scholarship shall return in a big way.
I think doing a PhD gives you a certain kind of discipline that you don't get doing just a BTech or a MCA or some such thing.
Even when, I went for my studies abroad, a lot of people did it because that was, following the herd.
We need to appreciate people who do technical work.
If the commitment is to learn whatever you are doing at that point in time, that is their only sure way to be able to succeed.
If you're doing it because it's the cool thing to do and you're going to have a startup, you'll try it out, and if it fails, you're going to do something else. You need to look at why you're doing that.
Please don't change jobs 6 months at a time. Do a good job of whatever you're doing. Otherwise, we will have mass unemployment within a matter of 3 or 4 years.
There is a jugaad innovation culture which is very, very significant in India. There is a bottom of the pyramid innovation ecosystem that is building out there. And around that, there is therefore an opportunity for a number of other support ecosystems to kick in. And so really the opportunity for entrepreneurs, I think, is in this new class focused on the value chain, not on a single enterprise.
People have to be evaluated for the contributions they make, which need not be in terms of how much the budget is that you manage.
We are, for the first time, being able to say in the knowledge industry, saying, hey, you know what, it's okay to work with your head and not necessarily with your hand.
I'm extremely passionate about promoting in India this notion of a technical career.